Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up your SafePal wallet step by step. First, open the SafePal app on your phone. At the top, you'll see the wallet option. Tap on it. Now, tap on the three-dot menu next to your wallet. Here, you'll see the backup option. Tap on it. Now you'll see two backup options: backup with Drive and backup manually. Choose the option you prefer and continue with the instructions shown on the screen. If you choose manual backup, carefully write down your recovery information and keep it somewhere safe and private. Never share your recovery phrase or private key with anyone, and don't show it on screen while recording your video. Complete the remaining verification steps shown by SafePal, and once they're finished, your wallet backup will be complete. That's it. These are the simple steps to back up your SafePal wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more app tutorials and tech guides.